The only other house within 50 miles of here is mine, and I'm not there.
Well, what about the roadman? Passers by.
Do you have any idea what kind of luck you had running into me out there tonight?
I thought you ran into us.
Joe, check upstairs.
Even if anyone did come by, they'd only end up lambs for the slaughter like you. Our only hope is daylight. Sunrise is in 6 hours.
We did the best we could. But if the sergeant's condition deteriorates, he'll have less than 4. And the only thing holding them back is they don't know how much ammunition we have left. Let's have a look at that.
Tell me, honestly, what are our chances?
Morale seems good, considering. But that'll only last as long as the ammunition holds out. High spirits are just no substitute for 800 rounds a minute, but I don't think that's what you want to hear.
Think about it, Cooper. Up until today, you believed there was a line between myth and reality. It may have been a very fine line sometimes, but at least it was a line. Those things out there are real. And if they're real, what else is real? You know what lives in the shadows now. You may never get another night's sleep as long as you live.
So why worry, Cooper? You may not live that long.
Shut your mouth. We're not going to make it through this. You know why? I don't scare that easy. Yeah. It's supposed to be lucky.
For me or the rest of the rabbit.
You'll need a lot more than luck this time.
Shut up, Ryan! Listen to me, Cooper. Ignore him. We can survive till sunrise. That's all that matters. It's just a few more hours.
Wait a minute. Am I missing something here?
I know him. I was seconded to his team during their first visit here.
First visit? What first visit? What the fuck are you talking about?
They came to check out the stories. They needed an expert. It's just a few more hours, Cooper. That's all it is.
All clear?
Yeah.
You want to kill them all?
Yes.
Good. Keep it up. What's the damage, Spoon?
Well, we might have pissed on our chips. We've only got 2 full mags for the MP5s, 6 rounds for the shotgun, and 1 spare, just in case.
Stay sharp, everyone.
We were putting fire down all over. I mean, we filled those things with lead and they just kept on getting up and coming back at us. 60 rounds, man, in the last 2 minutes.
So either we all make a break for it and fight our way clear, or the rest of us keep them occupied while one of us goes for help.
By the time the cavalry get here, they'll have to pick what's left of us from between their fucking teeth. Fucking brilliant. We either stay and snuff it, or we all go and snuff it.
Decisions, decisions.
Laugh. And nearly died.
Who's stopping you?
By a thick! We'll fucking have him!
Take it easy, big man. Calm down.
Do any of you know how to hotwire a car?
What?
I keep an old Land Rover in the barn. I don't know where the keys are, but if one of you could break in and start it, then...
I can do that.
Are you sure?
Piece of piss. Anyway, the further I am from this wanker, the happier I'll be.
All right. You're gonna need a decoy. Something fast and loud.
What? You what?
You sit. Stay.
You're serious about this werewolf thing, aren't you?
Afraid so.
Shit. Don't suppose you know who won the match?
Didn't even know there was a game on.
It's not a game.
Right, this is it. Everyone get ready.
Bollocks.
Joe. Good luck, mate.
You don't get off the hook that easy.
All right, you bastards! Come and have a go if you think you're hard enough! Well, come on, you beauties!
They took the bait.
Move your fucking arse, soldier! Come on!
Trying! I love it when a posh bear talks dirty.
Jesus! Fucking what's happening, Cooper?
Downstairs, come on, move it! Come on!
All right.
Move. Move.
You're behind me, aren't you?
I'm gonna fucking have you!